What's going on, everybody? It is Sean Paul Davis here back at you with some more. Today is a chill day. I am doing some remote work for my company, uh, IT side of the company. Just running through tickets. Got a couple of projects to do. Um, that's pretty much it for today, but I just want to let you guys in on how workday at home goes. This is working remotely. I do a hybrid schedule, so I'm on site 2 days a week. So therefore, today is my remote day. And like I said, today we just had a whole bunch of meetings. Seemed like most of the day were meetings. We had a meeting at 10 a.m. PST. We had a meeting at 12 p.m. PST, and we had another meeting at 2 p.m. PST. And each meeting lasted about an hour and 15 minutes. So that's about 3 hours and 45 minutes of my day, almost half of the workday. Um, in IT, you definitely are going to be in a lot of Teams meetings. Sometimes your meetings need meetings. So when people are taking notes and the project manager um, wants to make another meeting to expound on the notes that are in the current meeting that you're in, you have to be ready for that. Outside of IT, I have one appointment today for the insurance side of things, which is my entrepreneurial side of things. And that is for a term policy. And we're trying to get this person covered, trying to get their family covered. And I would definitely ask the questions need to be asked to make sure that I get her insured the correct way. Um, at this point, I'm not into just, of course, I want to close the sale, but I want to actually make sure I help the person. I think my first couple of months within insurance, I was so busy on meeting the quota that I set for myself. I definitely want to make sure that I help the person at hand. So therefore, they will be covered the right way, and it's less chances of any chargebacks. If any of you guys work commission, you know how chargebacks can be. I remember back in the day, I used to work for Nordstrom, and anytime I used to sell an item, I used to hope that nobody returned it before I got paid. So this is just a quick video I want to share with you guys. I can't show you my screen of how my IT day looks because I do work for the government. So there's an NDA with that. But yeah, just want to let you guys in on what I do day to day. Tomorrow, I look forward to having more appointments. I'm going to make some calls today after I get off of the IT job. Sometimes I make calls during the IT job, like this appointment I set right now. It's for today. Yeah, day in the life of IT, 9 to 5er, along with the day in the life of an entrepreneur. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I can look over your policy and go from there and make sure that you're covered the correct way. If you are covered the correct way, I will tell you to keep that policy. I will never talk against a policy just for a sale. So if you want to reach me, 310-910-7584. If you're in California, Texas, or Idaho, I can definitely write you for now. If you are in any other states and need to get written and want me to do it personally, let me know. I'll go ahead and buy the license for that specific state, anywhere but New York. If you're in New York, I have somebody for you. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to post what's been going on in class. So remember I told you guys I'm also in school. So with that being said, I have 12 units this semester, which was 3 classes. I have an Arabic language class. I have a communications, which is a speech class. So I'm not speech. Yeah, actually public speaking class. So I have a public speaking class. Also, I'm taking economics. The video I post at the end today will be the video on economics. I'm sorry. The video I'll post today will be on public speaking. I want to get better at public speaking. So I'm posting an assignment. This is something I can actually share because it's just a school assignment. I'm posting an assignment, my very first speech. And so in the future, I expect to be speaking in front of the masses. So I'm learning from class to use this experience in the real world. I only got back into school because I started seeing practical classes where I can use from school to use in the real world. So with that being said, I'll share that with you at the end of this video. Let me go ahead and share some things that been going on the last couple of weeks. So school started on January 13th. The last couple of weeks, getting acquainted with school and schedule, been very busy. Assignments are due all throughout the week. I do like professors that just say, hey, turn everything in on Sunday. But I have one professor who has items that are due on Monday, Wednesdays, and Sunday. So leaves me to have to schedule a little better around my 9 to 5 and entrepreneurial life. Time management is key. For me, waking up early is key because I have them few hours before I do anything as far as from my 9 to 5 to deal with school and try to make appointments for the day. So time scheduling, time management is key. Within the economics class, it's pretty straightforward. Learning about microeconomics, macroeconomics. Those are actually things I didn't know before, but now I know I have to look into, especially into running a business. So with that said, here goes my speech. Please comment below how you like it, what I need to improve on. And next video, I'll tell you what I think I need to improve on. And we'll go from there. All right, everybody. Peace. Hello, class. Imagine making a pact on your wedding day to explore the world together. My wife and I did just that. And over the past 5 years, we've been lucky enough to visit some of the most incredible places. Today, I want to share with you a little bit about my life with my wife, how we've made traveling a priority and why it means so much to us. I'll tell you about the promise we made to travel around the world and the amazing places we've been together. Let me start with how this passion for travel all began. When my wife and I got married in 2018, we made a pact to see the world together. We knew life can get busy, but we didn't want that to stop us from letting us experience new places. Over the last 5 years, we made that promise a reality by visiting 4 incredible destinations. In Paris, we wandered the romantic streets, stood beneath the Eiffel Tower, and soaked in the beauty of the city. Egypt was next, where we stood in awe of the ancient pyramids and sailed along the majestic Nile River. Then came Saudi Arabia, where we immersed ourselves in the culture and history of Mecca. And most recently, Dubai in the UAE, where we marveled at how the futuristic city skyline looked and all the luxury experiences that they had to offer. Each of these trips has brought us closer together and strengthened our bond and opened our eyes to new ways of thinking and living. But traveling isn't just about visiting places. It's about what it gives us as a couple. For my wife and me, traveling is more than just checking off a destinations list. It's about creating lasting memories and sharing moments that help us grow as individuals and as a couple. Whether we're exploring ancient ruins, trying new foods, or simply walking down a street we've never been before, every trip feels like an adventure that brings us closer together. It's also about learning and growing. Every new culture, every new experience teaches us something about the world and, more importantly, about each other. Traveling has made us more open-minded, more appreciative of the diversity of the world, and more grateful for the time we get to spend together. So as I share with you today, my wife and I made a promise to travel the world together. And in doing so, we not only discovered amazing places, but also created memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you.